Yeah. Right now, man, I say Merry Christmas to all our nation people. Now give me thing that about it. Big up and bless up on yourself upon the Christmas and enjoy yourself and make certain on safe, going out and coming in. Now give me thing that about it. Know the general represent already. First class way. You see what I say? We still are wait upon the World Boss EP for drop. We don't really get the date yet because I think we don't know the World Boss how them man they go to work. A precise thing, you see what I say? Yeah. So we still are wait upon the EP. You see what I say? We still are wait upon episode 1. No gimmicks thing that about it, nation people. But as I say, big up and bless up on yourself because you know the thing go already. You see what I say? And enjoy yourself, but be safe and be careful and you know the thing go. You see what I say? Yeah. Not really pretty or dirty. You see what I say? So anytime you go out you forward in back. You see what I say? You have to give thanks and praise to the Most High because you know no man is worthy enough. You know how 10 stars go to work already. But here I say, right now, I don't know how I really do some people still. You see what I say about what the year is in? Remember, after the Burner Boy show, remember the unruly boss forward out. And you don't know, the unruly boss say what him for say. You see what I say? Or say what he wanted to say. You see me? Alright, that done. We see a brother named TJ forward out. You see what I say? Him chat what him want to say. And at the end, where him talk say, him end up violate the unruly boss. You see what I say? Big time we him do that. You see what I say? Well, anyway, watch this now. Now, we see Valiant, Zin, forward out and on him Instagram and him burn a fire, Zin, and told the man burn the fire right about now. Him no call no name, nor nothing like that, but right now, to we see it go in a dance hall, and go 2 people, him cannot talk. Is what I say, well, we see like, we don't even see a problem, but we see a thing go on way. So, if I not Brysco him talk, that mean a popcaan him talk. Which way, me personally, me not believe a popcaan him talk. You see what I say? I just know that, say I not popcaan him talk. Because if him have an issue with popcaan, him would have to reveal that a long time ago. You see what I say? Him only wait till now. But then and again, him can just seize the opportunity just because you see TJ forward out and I run him out and I try violate. And that I run in the social media. So him probably just do that because him know, well then, people are going to have speculation like myself. I wonder who him attack, if a popcaan him attack or a Brysco him attack. You see what I say? And it goes on like that, so him name stay in the algorithm. You see what I say? But anybody with real sense, my brother, won't even say knowledge. Anybody with real common sense, I go know bone if I say, yo, and a popcaan him attack. You see what I deal with? So after Brysco him attack, or then him have a new controversy start up with somebody new who we don't know because him never really call no name. So all of these jackstrap sniffing vendetta vloggers, when I see I run up and down on the internet, you see what I say, and I run them more about this and I run them more about that. Let me tell you something, my brother. Phone type time, a party, on the internet, expire, right now, I don't know if you don't see that, Phone time, a party on the internet, expire. You see what I say? Because I don't know if you don't see, uno get rid of uno own a far chest, a thing when name CV. Uno, him, we forward out and act like say, well then, yo, him a run Vendetta HQ. Right now, them push him out. You see what I say? So, me not see what type of argument uno want hold or what kind of chatting uno want have. You see what I say? But I know what they say. Anything we have to do with popcorn, uno ready for run out quick and fast, fast and quick. Once it have to do with Vibes Cartel, popcorn, skilly bang, uno broke on a blood clot neck out, right? Yeah, me see uno broke on the neck out. You know what I mean? Yo, I know me not hear none of uno I tell uno artist say, yo, you know say, right now, 2022, you not really make no impact na dancehall. You know say 2022, you know make no impact na the dancehall and you sang them where you do it no make a sparks. It no sparks, my brother. You see what I say? Una not tell him that. You see what I say? Una not go tell him that. Una go run with some look of fuckery narrative and act like, well then una go out with something in the bumbuckler dancehall. And just because una see say Skilly Bang I do it big time, Zane. Una see Skilly Bang I do it big time. Una know what una do? You know what una do? Me see una and I look a shishki bag where them call what them call him? Triple X or whatever. Yo, let me tell you something. X mean wrong bang, my brother. You see what I say? So from him have triple X on him name, you're supposed to know say him extra blood clot wrong. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that about my game, you know, because I not deal with lollipop thing. Everybody knows say from them I go to school. From you get big old dirty X, you know say a big old dirty wrong bang that. Real student and real and sophisticated student no likes the X in them blood clot book. You see what I say? And him have 3 of them on him blood clot name, same name, triple X. You see what I say? A triple wrong. You see what I say? So you can't listen to them man there. I tell you about say Skilly Bang and a DJ for the ear and want to name out who him prefer, who him like. You think DJ for the ear go by you, my brother? When since DJ for the ear in a dancehall go by blood clot triple wrong? No, me ask a question. When since DJ for the ear go off a wet triple wrong I say? A that me want know. Yo man go sit down one side with your big fat self. You hear that, my brother? Go try lose some weight, my brother. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Go try lose some weight. No gimmicks thing in my game, my brother. You see what I say? Go try leg some weight off of the big gut where you have. You hear me? You go pay that attention more. You see what I say? And leave the youth them alone. You see what I say? Yeah, go pay more attention to the big bang gut where you have. You see what I say? Yeah. You know what I mean? That I go pay you more, my brother. And it look like say, it look like a triple blood clot D bra you wear too. Because it look like you need blood clot training. You see what I say? I saw it look to me, I don't know. I saw it look to me now, my brother. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing that about my game, and a real thing I deal with. Go pay them thing there more attention than a run your blood clot mode. But bumbo clot, Skilly Bang. You know what I mean? What you mean Skilly Bang and a bumbo clot DJ for the ear? You have no bumbo clot artist in a dancehall. Do what Skilly Bang do for this year in a bumbo clot dancehall? When I talk about him, they overseas. Dancehall is a worldwide thing. With the bumbo clot, do you think dancehall stop in a Jamaica? I that you no believe? A Jamaica dancehall stop. What Skilly Bang do right now, every blood clot dancehall artist dream that. You see what I say? Because the pinnacle of dancehall him a move him way too. And that every blood clot artist dream. No gimmicks thing, not dead about it, no lollipop thing, not dead about it. For see the man a dominate on a first class level, and then you go run your blood clot more about him and a DJ for the ear because him not the in the ground. Them not up on the ground in a Jamaica, and him not do no blood clot duff plate for triple rank. Yes, what I say because him a selector and through the general now do no bumbo clot duff plate. Feed. Where feed? What no do? What no do? What no do? Man nah look no blood clot friend and company from blood clot triple wrong, my brother. The material evidence there for bumbo clot prove it, and I have no dancehall artist in a bumbo clot Jamaica. In a 2022, do a bumbo ass clot skilly bang do. And that bumbo clot final. Triple rank can't talk to him, can't tell we blood clot no. Is what I say? Because a triple D blood clot bra him a wear. And him good for having a big ass clot triple X blood clot draws. Now gimmicks business not dead about it. You know a 10 star the general I represent. Anyway nation people, you bless up on yourself on the Christmas. And you know we talk again a later date. What? Gaza way now. Hey, there ain't no other fucking way. 10 star general. Watch. Fuck sweet triple wrong.